Do you want to learn how to create a poll on WhatsApp? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. So let's get to it. On WhatsApp Mobile, you can create and send poll inside a single person DM or in a group. I would suggest sending that poll inside a group because there will be multiple people in it that would be able to vote on your poll. But in a single person DM, there will be just one person that would be able to vote with you. So what's the point? But this process is similar for both. So let's say I go inside this group, and then on the bottom in this chat bar, you'll see paperclip icon. Click on that. And then you can click on this poll option. If you're on iPhone, on this chat bar, on the left hand side, you'll see a plus icon. Click on that. And then you'll be able to see the poll. So click on this poll option. Now in this question field, you can type a question. Then in the options field below, I can type the answers. So 4, 5, and 8. If you want to rearrange the options, you can do it by pressing over here. Long press it and hold it, move it up or down. If you want people to select multiple options in it, you can click on this to allow multiple answers. Then on the bottom right, you'll see this send button. Click on that. And there you go. We have now created and sent this poll inside our group. And I can press on this 1, 4, and it's going to show that it's 1 vote on this poll. Then you can press on this view votes and you'll see how many people have voted on your poll. You can select multiple options like this and you can deselect them as well. And yeah, that's it. That's how to create a poll on WhatsApp. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more WhatsApp related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.